Beginning in late 2016, and since then, we've started to see all of these trends reports that talk about tours and activities are finally coming into their own. Tours and activities, the ugly duckling of the travel industry, is finally being paid attention to. The tour and activity market, all of these sorts of things have really started to be talked about in the last couple of years. Willywood is one of your gems. You know, this whole thing of you guys are working as communities, it's really impressive. And that's one of the reasons I think Airbnb will be interested in you, because they like dealing with people that want to have a community kind of approach. Because people have different interests, especially when you look at experiential travel and it's all about niches. It's about people having an interest in, maybe they want to find out more about slavery, or, how we can learn from slavery to improve human rights, or maybe they want to learn more about culture, or maybe they want to learn more about museums, or maybe they want to learn more about art. Everybody tends to have, different interests. So if you have a lot of possibilities, that is a good thing.
The role of CTB. After the visit of Judy, we continued with what we call coaching and training through a local consultant of the company Empower. We created an asset of experiences. The first one was the core experience, meaning that it were elements that were most appealing or strong enough that could get some visitors to Curaçao. The second one is supporting experience, which are experiences that may not be the ones that really attracted people to the island, but could have an appeal for Curaçao and could be potentially be included in the experience. The third one is hidden seekers experiences. So things that are, from a historic and cultural perspective, they are rich secrets that we have in our culture. And it could be as a sort of a backstage insider behind the scenes of an experience to the visitors. And then lastly, resource experts. Who are these people? Local people that have knowledge and expertise that can make the connection to our culture, local culture. And it could vary from musicians to artists to dancers, theater groups, poets, but also people that can do some good storytelling. And that is also something that, as a CTB, the marketing department is also trying to promote a lot when we have either on our Facebook or website, or when we go abroad, when we have journalists, but as well as travel agents and tour operators that come to the island.
So this is the definition we use in Canada, and I really think it says what experiential travel is about. It connects you with the essence of a place and its people. So that's so important, is to be connected to the destination and to engage visitors. This is not about having visitors just stand there and watch you. It's about being interactive, having interactive experiences. How are we going to get people's senses involved? How are we going to get them to think, or not to think, to smell, touch, feel, etc.? Because that's when we really connect to things, is when we get our senses engaged. So with an experiential traveler, this is a brand new survey, just came out a couple of weeks ago from Skift. 65% of them say, I want to come back experiencing something new. I want it to be something new that I haven't done before. I want to come back feeling rested and recharged. So those are some of the key things that people are looking for. They're saying they're willing to spend more. Almost 7 in 10 say they're willing to spend more on activities rather than spending on a nicer hotel. So people want to do things. They don't want to just stay in a hotel like they used to before. They're looking for relaxation, excitement, and adventure. And adventure doesn't have to be like, let's go scuba diving or parasailing. It's just about having an adventure, going walking, or doing something new. So adventure covers a whole range of things.